Hello everyone, today we will make a easy Ganesha painting on the canvas. So firstly take out your canvas and start drawing this sketch along me. Firstly we will draw the sketch so that we get an idea of where and how to draw this Ganesha. And I am taking 10 by 12 inch canvas board. And if you don't have any of the materials, then all the materials are linked in the description box. You can go and buy from there any of the materials. I have linked all of the materials. Now in the palette, take out your sap green color, white color, yellow, orange and burnt sienna and mix all the colors. Also keep them separate and make a shade in which you will mix all the shades as shown. And now start filling this shade in the face of the Ganesha. You have to just make sure that at the boundaries you have to make it darker, and at the right side we have make it lighter, or you can say that this is a lighting portion, so we will take light over there. And similarly I have to do this shading in all over the Ganesha face. And for the background, it's an abstract background, so you can do yellow, orange, burnt sienna, sap green, teal blue, and these are the only shades which we are going to use in this painting. Now for the veena, we will apply lemon yellow color in the between and we will make boundaries using burnt sienna, and then we will blend both the colors together, and then this will become a gradient effect. Now for the outlining, mix some burnt sienna, sap green and the Persian blue color and start outlining. For the necklace, apply some teal blue color. Now in the eyes, half of the portion will be orange and half will be burnt sienna, and in between there will be a black dot, and after drying you have to put 2 white dots inside it. Now for the hand, again take your burnt sienna directly with a little of water and start outlining everything. And while you are blending, make sure that your brush is a little moist. And now it's ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.